Let's get fresh ingredients!
Yay! Time to cook!
Look at these fresh veggies!
Perfect for our pizza! These tomatoes look so ripe. I want a mushroom. And look at all the onions. Thank you, Mr. Mouse.
You're welcome.
We got everything we need.
Hurry! Let's start cooking!
Can't wait to make pizza. Make sure everything is clean. All clean and ready.
Perfectly tiny slices!
They look great for pizza.
Soft and fluffy dough!
Ready to shape our pizzas. Looks colorful and yummy. Can't wait to bake them.
Looks delicious!
Yummy.
They're done! Perfect golden crust!
Time to share with friends. This pizza looks yummy. Let's share. So good. My turn. Yay.
All packed nicely!
Let's deliver them.
Here you go, enjoy! Happy eating, friend!
Wow, thank you. This looks delicious.
One for you, too! Sharing makes us happy! Pizza makes me so happy!
Me too. Sharing is the best. This is the happiest day. Yay, pizza. Remember, sharing always brings joy. Yes, happiness grows when we share. Welcome to Digiksa Moral World. We have fun stories and lessons. Follow and subscribe for more. Yes, click below. Subscribe now.